Alright, so we're going to try to build an ultraviolet tank. And the purpose of it is to be able to take yellow plastic and be able to rejuvenate it. So we're going to need a few things. We're going to need a tote, some peroxide, a UV light, a Sharpie, some aluminum foil, and something to put the light in. So I don't know if this works or not, but we're going to give it a shot. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to set this on top of the tote about center, and we're just going to simply trace it out. Now that we got it traced out, we made it a smaller circle, so we're going to start there, and we're going to trim it out just a little bit shorter than this outside one because we want that to be able to just set right on top of it. So now we got our hole cut out and we got it sized to where we want it, so now we're going to move it out of the way and we'll start messing with the tote. So now we're going to take our tote and we're going to line the inside of it with the aluminum foil. Alright, so we got the inside all wrapped in aluminum foil. We used a little bit of packing tape just to kind of seam everything up. So now what we're going to do is move on to the next step, which is basically putting the lamp on top of this, and then we'll plug it in and see how it works. Alright, so as you can see, we are on, and I only see just a little bit of light right there coming through, so I don't think that's too bad. So I think for test purposes, that's pretty good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, our test subject, it's an old coolant overflow bottle, and then we're going to fill it full of peroxide. We're going to set it down inside of it, turn the lamp on, and we're going to let it set, and we'll check it, see how long it takes. So I'm going to go ahead and get this filled up and get it put inside this and get it turned on, and then we'll go from there. So for testing purposes, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, I only filled it up to here. So we're going to stick it in there, we're going to let it do its thing, and then we'll be able to compare from this point down if it actually improves it or not from the yellowness and makes it a better clear. Now it'll still be dirty, but at least we'll get an idea of it. So we'll just set this down inside there, we'll turn the UV lamp on, and then I think I read somewhere between 12 and 14 hours, but we'll keep going with it and see if it actually works or not. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. Stay tuned for more updates.